Maintenance features are available for the APs from the Network Topology page. From the map, select an AP to monitor. On the right, AP details can be found as well as maintenance operations. Some of the operations are related to OmniVista operations, including ping and poll device. Other operations are related to the AP itself. In Edit Device, the name of the AP can be changed. The group name and AP profile can also be modified from this menu. An AP can be rebooted from the maintenance operations. Stellar APs can be backed up by clicking Backup Device. A new backup window is displayed, but backups can also be done from Configuration, Resource Manager, Backup. APs to be backed up can be chosen from a list of APs, pick from the topology map, or from a group AP where all the APs belonging to that AP group will be backed up. On the configuration page, select the type of backup to be performed. A full backup contains the firmware and configuration, but will take more time. Review the configuration and back up the device. The firmware can also be upgraded from Configuration, Resource Manager, Upgrade Image. First, import the new firmware to the OmniVista server. Then select the new firmware and click Install. Select the APs to be upgraded. Individual APs or a group of APs can be chosen. Review the configuration and install the software.